Hey, this ain't Magic Mountain.
Is that the same thing, William?
Here.
Okay, these for the little kids, not the grown up.
Ain't nothing exciting me.
I know that motherfucker ain't done.
Yeah, that motherfucker done.
People don't want to. They went on the south side about that bullshit.
Look at this. Next time, don't buy no firecrackers for me. Bootleg.
Nigga, them Mexicans made that motherfucker.
No fast and 2 cigarettes over there. She gonna start all them motherfuckers up.
Put some shit in this mouth.
Taylor.
Wait.
That's the same thing he just lit.
That's a mountain. Boy, you better watch out.
That ain't gonna do shit.
Good shit.
Nigga, that shit hot. I'm telling you, if it would have been night out here, bro.
That shit would have been real nice. It's all the same shit, baby.
I thought y'all got Roman candles.
What that little things that you have? Did I light it already?
Oh, hell no. Oh, no. I got it too. I brought it out here. I know Sam them clowning, bro. They in Gary.
They in?
Hell yeah.
They back.
They back already?
My baby getting excited. Look. You see that China doll? You see that? She's so damn cute, man. Hey!
Hell no. You being too entertaining.
That's okay, Damo. That was the side fight right there. It's done now. Oh, look at them over there. Look, they got the real deal.
That's who the fuck was shit.